If you're a cat owner, you know that maintaining a clean litter box can be one of the most challenging aspects of pet care. The good news is, the latest advancements in automatic litter boxes are here to help. Designed to simplify your life while ensuring a fresh and hygienic environment for your feline friend, these smart devices take the hassle out of scooping. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best automatic litter boxes, highlighting their features and benefits to help you find the perfect fit for both you and your cat. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. If you're considering a new litter solution for your feline friend, the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box may be the innovative option you've been searching for. Unlike traditional enclosed litter boxes, this open-top design offers a spacious environment that many cats find appealing. You'll appreciate the ease of assembly. No extra tools are needed. Simply attach the 4 feet and set up the litter tray. However, connecting the device to the app does require a bit of patience as you navigate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi pairing. While it's straightforward, it's good to approach this step with a little time to spare. Your larger cats will benefit from the Neakasa M1's tall 13.77-inch entry point, allowing them to enter comfortably. However, if you have multiple cats, be aware that the litter well may feel a bit snug for larger breeds like Maine Coons, as this model was designed with a weight limit of 33 pounds, making it best suited for a single cat. If you're looking for a blend of modern convenience and a secure space for your furry companion, the Neakasa M1 might be the perfect addition to your home. It not only simplifies the cleaning process, but also caters to the needs of your larger pets, enhancing their litter experience in your life as a cat owner. At number 4, Whisker Litter-Robot 3. If you're a cat owner seeking a reliable and effective litter solution, the Whisker Litter-Robot 3 Connect could be just what you need. This self-cleaning litter box is designed to simplify your life while providing your feline friend with a clean and comfortable space. While the Litter-Robot 3 Connect is slightly larger and a bit louder than its successor, many cat lovers find that its practical features make it an attractive option. If you're conscious of your budget, the Litter-Robot 3 Connect offers quality at a more accessible price point, making it an ideal fit for your home. By investing in the Litter-Robot 3 Connect, you're not just purchasing a litter box, you're enhancing your day-to-day life with a hassle-free solution. Imagine having more quality time with your cat without the constant litter maintenance that can be draining. This innovative device automatically sifts through the litter, separating waste and making disposal easy. You deserve a solution that allows you to enjoy your time with your pet without the stress of cleanup. With the Litter-Robot 3 Connect, you can rest easy knowing your cat can always rely on a clean litter area while you enjoy the companionship of your four-legged friend. Discover the peace of mind that comes with a smarter litter strategy and elevate both your and your pet's daily routine. Number 3, we have the PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. The PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box is a reliable solution for maintaining a clean litter area for your beloved cat. Imagine coming home to a fresher environment, all because this innovative litter box automatically senses when your cat has used it and gets to work cleaning 30 minutes later. Equipped with a smart rake system, it gently glides across the litter, collecting clumps and depositing them into a reservoir. You'll appreciate how straightforward this system is. As one tester aptly put it, it doesn't dazzle with bells and whistles, but absolutely does the trick. You might be pleasantly surprised by how quiet the PetZone Smart Scoop operates. Its slow raking cycle effectively captures waste without startling your pet, creating a more comfortable experience for both of you. The rake is thoughtfully designed to minimize clogging, and to make your life easier, it comes with a cleaning tool. Getting started is a breeze. 6 plastic bags are included to help you manage waste. These bags are simple to install and remove, so you can keep routines efficient. Plus, a carbon zeolite filter is included that fits neatly into the waste reservoir's lid, helping to neutralize odors and keep your home smelling fresh. Investing in the PetZone Smart Scoop means less time worrying about litter maintenance and more time enjoying moments with your furry friend. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes from a clean litter box with this smart innovation. At number 2, PETKIT, PuraMax Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The PETKIT PuraMax Self-Cleaning Litter Box, your solution for managing the litter needs of multiple cats with ease. If you're a cat owner with more than one furry friend, you know the struggle of frequent litter changes can be overwhelming. With the extra-large capacity of the PuraMax, you'll only need to empty the litter compartment about once a week, even in a busy household of 3 cats. The included trash bags are generous in size and come with a convenient drawstring handle, making cleanup a breeze. What sets the PuraMax apart is its smart, app-controlled self-cleaning feature. This larger model builds on the success of the PETKIT PuraX, known for its superior odor control. Both litter boxes share high-quality features, including an impressively quiet cleaning cycle, so you and your cats can enjoy peace without disruption. Odor control is a top priority for cat owners, and the PuraMax excels in this area. Its tightly sealed waste compartment ensures unpleasant smells stay contained, while a built-in chamber for an odor-eating block works silently to neutralize odors. Plus, an automatic deodorizing sprayer activates after your cat uses the box, refreshing the interior and keeping it inviting for your pets. With the PETKIT PuraMax Self-Cleaning Litter Box, you can give your cats a clean, healthy environment while saving yourself time and hassle. Consider this investment for a more manageable and pleasant cat care experience. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Whisker Litter-Robot 4. The Whisker Litter-Robot 4, your cat's new favorite bathroom solution. This isn't just an upgrade from the acclaimed Litter-Robot 3 Connect, it's a complete reimagining of what an automatic litter box can be. Through rigorous lab testing and real-world trials, users like you have praised the Litter-Robot 4 for its remarkable features and design enhancements, all contributing to an unparalleled litter experience. You might be contemplating the investment. While the price tag is higher, the Litter-Robot 4 is designed to elevate your daily routine. Setting it up is a breeze, arriving fully assembled and ready to use. All you need to do is plug it in and download the Whisker app. Syncing is as easy as scanning a QR code on the back. What truly stands out about the Litter-Robot 4 is its user-friendly design. Its wide, inviting entrance beckons your feline friend with curiosity. The futuristic appearance not only catches the eye but also encourages exploration. Many cats quickly adapt to using it without hesitation. With the Litter-Robot 4, you're not just purchasing an automatic litter box, you're enhancing your cat's comfort and your convenience. Imagine saying goodbye to daily scooping while ensuring your kitty has a clean, welcoming space. Experience the revolutionary change offered by the Litter-Robot 4, where high-quality engineering meets thoughtful design, creating a harmonious bathroom experience for both you and your cat. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which automatic litter box you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.